Hello and welcome to Scale Modelling Chaos channel. Today we're having an unboxing video looking at the Husky TSV Tactical Support Vehicle made by Meng. Now this kit is a 135th kit. Now we are going to make one or two little changes on the kit as we build it. For example, we are going to be replacing the GPMG General Purpose Machine Gun on the top for a 50 cal machine gun. It'll give me a bit more power and a bit more oomph to the kit. Also going to have a look at variants, so maybe leave the doors open, have the doors shut. We're going to look and see what we're going to do there. So let's get in and have a look at see what's inside. So it's nice box art on the front. Inside, if we open up, we've got the instructions on top there. Let's have a quick look at the instructions. So these are nicely detailed drawings, good clear parts numbered. Any bits that need painting, they're clearly marked out. So it's a nice set of instructions to go through. And if we just have a quick look at the back, we can see that we've got our sprues there, so we can check to make sure we've got everything. Got a list of paints there, and again, just more detailed pictures of the vehicle coming to the end. So a really nice instruction booklet. Now we've got the painting guide and decal sheet. So we've got a top down and also front and back view. We have some colours up at the top to say what they've been painting that. So it's really nice. And as we look over the other side, we've got the side on views of the vehicle, again with the paint colours and the decal spots. So that's really good. Looking inside the box itself at the bags. So let's have a look at the first bag there. We can see our main chassis that will run through the vehicle there. Some armour for it. We've got our axles and all the parts to do with the chassis and the engine and manifold systems to go underneath. So it's really nice. Got some decent pieces in there. Can't see any sort of flash or anything like that. It's a really well made kit. So the next set of sprues, they have our wheels and other equipments that go on the outside and in the back of the vehicle. So it's really, there's some really good details on the wheel. I don't know if you can just see. Let me just try and focus the camera in a bit better for you to it. But on the seats itself, let's move it a little bit. Hopefully that will focus and you can see it. There's actually some seat belts that have been put on the seats there, so you can paint those up, give a bit more detail. In here we have some rubber wheels to go on the vehicle, along with the main exterior body of the cab, which come in one piece, obviously door handle, door holes and that there. Then we've got the bonnet and also the back end of the vehicle. So where you're going to have extra people coming in, things like water bottles, petrol bottles. So it's really good. So we've got our clear sprue there. We'll pop that to one side a second. So on this sprue here, we've got our main seating area for the internal of the cab. We've got the doors, we've got the top of the roof where our gunner will actually be sitting coming through. So it's just really nicely laid out, nicely marked, really nicely made parts. Not seeing anything that's caused me any sort of worry at all. So our last couple of sprues here, this one, we've got just a few small bits, looks like it may be internal bits and pieces, and on the last sprue here, we've got things like our armour cover for the top cover gunner, who will be sitting there with his 50 cal on the ready. So he will actually that would go there. So that 50 cal bit says on top, and then the GPMG would sit here, but we're going to swap that out for an M2 50 cal, and that will be that. And then we've got our clear sprue, so we've got different windows, lights, that sort of thing on here. So obviously we'll get to those a lot later in the build, and we'll get those sorted. So now we've got the final bit. So we've got a little bit of photo etch, some grills, and what looks like a couple of boxes to put in. So not huge amounts, which is good because photo etch can be a bit of a pain. And we also have our decals with things like our range numbers on there for the vehicle. So overall, I've got to say, absolutely fantastic kit there, produced by Meng. Really looking forward to starting to get that built, which should be, hopefully, a video for it should go up within the next couple of weeks for the first part of the build. But until then, well, I'll get started on the kit. We'll record that, and then I'll get the first video released and sent out to yourself. So until then, stay safe and be good, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.